Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Cat Tips and Tricks. This is Mubashir. This video especially one of my friend, his name is Khalifa, is from Nigeria. So I have to explain him something. Just you have to open the AutoCAD. When you open the AutoCAD, just open the new file, and my friend give me one sketch. He want to learn from that sketch uh, to how to start the initial AutoCAD, basic AutoCAD setting, and how to draw the plan he want to know. So just I will show you the first his what he sent me. He sent me guys this plan. So I have to teach him from this plan, which one I'm showing to you. So just I have to insert this plan in my AutoCAD. Open the new file, any new file, and insert. Go to xref. Just type command xref. Then one window will be appear. Just here you have to select instead of just you from here you have to select the image, attach image. Go to your file location. Where is your file? This one. Just insert it, then rotate it. The rotate command is ro enter. For rotate, just you have to rotate your plan. ro shortcut key for rotate. ro enter. Select this image what you inserted already. Just enter, then click anywhere and rotate it any direction. If you have ortho mode on off, you can try. Ortho mode is from F8, from your keyboard button F8. When you press F8, ortho mode is like this. So you can set what you want. This ortho mode is correct or not. So just I rotate this drawing so it will be appear to me. Now I have to go for the how to draw this file, how to draw proper plan in meter. Mostly I'm checking this dimension is in millimeter, but we will draw in this drawing in meter. So just what you have to do, the first layer, just make it one layer for wall. Go to LA enter, one window will be open for layer bar. Just click here, new layer, just type the name wall, then make it this line weight you will make for wall like 30 or 35.30. Okay, and choose the color, any color. We'll make the white one. Okay, I'll make the white, or not white, you can make another one. 30, and just double click here. Your layer, it will be current when you double click here. Okay, close this window and draw your line. First step, you have to make it in scale, this drawing, so it will be easy for you to draw this plan. Okay, just to draw one line, xl enter like this, and one xl enter like vertical, xl enter, click, you can horizontal, and you can draw the horizontal or vertical. So just move your cursor and it will be appear in vertical or horizontal. I draw the two line. Just you have to make a line with your drawing. Just I'll make it one line here for scale. Okay, just make it one line here. To make your line like a 90 angle. Now align. For align, AL shortcut from your keyboard, AL enter. Select the plan. With this line, what I draw is already first point. Click from here and put it any point here. The second point here from any this horizontal line, and just enter, again enter. Now your plan is like horizontal and vertical line is mostly correct. Now just you have to make it scale. Suppose this wall is 20 centi. Just I'll make the line. You will make scale. This your line. I'll make line. Shortcut command is L enter. It's like equal to 20 centi wall. So we will draw this drawing in meter. So we have to draw one wall point here, point 2. Take one line, L enter, point 2. This your line is 20 centi or 0.2 meter. You can adjust your dimensions style, D enter, modify, not modify, just make it new. The dimension style, new, make it new this one, or dim in meter. Just enter, then you adjust these things. First you will make reduce the text size 0.18, 0.15 you will make, then you line and arrow will make it like this one, oblique 0.1 also, then your primary unit, just you have to adjust this one point, make it like this 0.00 is okay, just you can check it. Now you check and take the dimension. For dimension, you in your drawing go to your taskbar, click here, you can check the dimension. Still is a big. Again de-enter, modify, just adjust little bit again, or use overall scale, make it instead of 1 make it 0.5. Okay, close. It is reduced now, dimension size. So just we have to align this line with plan to align with this one. Just please note this point, note this command also, AL enter, select this all image with this line, select first point to here, the second point to here, then enter, one time enter, then Y enter. You can see in the command line align scale object based on alignment points. If you want to make it correct scale align with this one, you have to make it Y enter. If you press the no, so he will not make the correct scale, just Y enter. Okay, now your wall is in scale. Now you can start your plan. So now you can start your plan. Just make it one line. Line shortcut command is enter. Okay, like this. Then offset 20 centi 0.2 meter is wall. Offset 0.2 enter. And then here you make it line. You can trace like this one, but it's correct scale. You don't make like this line which is not straight. You have to make it correct your scale. This line, this image for only for your reference. So just offset also 0.2 enter. 0.2 meter equal to 20 centi equal to 200 milli. Now just filter this line, F enter, fill it from here to here. Okay, then this maybe this weighting, this WC, so it's 1 meter. But I know this one is, I think is 1 meter. Just you have to offset 1 meter. Then again 0.2 enter, and this I think this 2.1. There are other sizes 2.1, 2.1. Just offset shortcut command is O enter, then select your point and your size is how much you want. Again I think it's not only 2 meter. Offset 2 meter, then 0.2 again, fill it this line. Okay, you draw one bathroom. Okay, again now you have to draw this waiting room. Again what your this overall size is 3.8 meter. Horizontal size is 3.8 meter, and this one is 2.9 I think. So we have to make offset from this wall, which is I'm showing to from this wall we have to take offset 3.8 meter. So just O enter from keyboard, O for offset, O enter. Then you have to type from your keyboard 3.8 meter, enter. Just from click from here to this side. So now your size is 3.8 meter. You can check from your dimension. You can check from here, click dimension from here to here. Look your size is, your room size is 3.8 meter. Offset again 0.2, and this one is 2.9 meter, 2.9 enter. I think which one is not correct scale, or there is something wrong. And this one is 1.6, so 1.6 is, this one is 0.1. Maybe this 2.9 from here. Something is wrong. Okay, no problem. We'll check one by one. Then we will draw this 3.6 meter, this line. 3.6 meter. We'll check 3.6 meter, this line. This also scale is not because this one is my friend take it from picture to from his camera photos. That's why it's not proper scale. So just you can offset 0.2 enter again. Just this video for basic learning, basic tutorial for my friend who want to learn this basic things in AutoCAD, so he will understand. So we will draw from here maybe it's better is clear size 1.5 meter by 1.6. This all sizes is not proper clearly because of scanning. So we can draw no problem. We can draw this one, this room also 0.2. Now we draw from here. This one is 2 meter. Look, this one is 2 meter. Offset to enter. Again 0.2. And how much this one is size? I cannot read. It's like 3 meter. 3 meter 0.2 enter. But you can adjust your sizes. The most important thing is you have to know how to make it offset, how to make it layer, how to set the dimension, how to copy the layer like this. Then this one is also 2 meter. 0.2. Which one is the dotted line? So also you can trim your line. tr double enter. You can trim your line also. This is the basic learning for how to use the AutoCAD layers and dimension and this and that, this everything. Now you can switch off this layer and you can see the properly, and just your grid is appear in your file. Just press F7, it will be not appear. So make a text. For text you have to make it t enter, then make window, write your text waiting area. You can make scale big, SC enter, and make it 1.5. Then you can make the dimension like this. So you can make another layer. Just put a dimension and text. Just go to again this layer property, LA enter, make it new layer here. Dimension, make a dimension. Change the color also from here. Change the line weight size also, make it maximum 0 for dimension, and then you change the layer color, this for dimension, and this for new layer again for text. Change the layer also, color. Okay, I make a 2 layer. This text, just I have to select this text and put it in text layer. This dimension, select this dimension and put it in the dimension layer. So guys, you can make again, open this layer what you hide it already. So guys, you can make like this. You can start your basic sketch like this, how to draw the basic drawings. So thank you very much. Inshallah, we will see you in the next video. I will explain the other things in the next video. Hopefully you will enjoy this video and helpful for you. Thank you very much. If you like my video, just subscribe my channel, like and share to your friends. Thank you very much. See you again.